minutes up and you get to look at art that's thousands of years old. That's worth the walk.
Oh yeah.
I'm a bit puffed already, but wanting to see this art for a long time. I'm not complaining anymore.
Oh! Oi! So what I'm doing here is calling out to the spirits of the land, to my ancestors, to let them know that we're here and we're coming to visit them. Yeah.
What do you feel when you revisit this place?
Feels like home.
I've only got a couple of minutes of light, and I reckon here goes kookaburras. That means the sun's about to go down. Kookaburras make that noise on sunset and sunrise. I'm running to get the drone. We've only got like a minute of sun left. The guys are waiting up there at the rock art, and I'm going to try and put the drone up and get it. I reckon I'm about 2 minutes away from the car. 5-minute walk, 2-minute jog. So I'm trying my best to get there. No promises. Let's see if we can do it.
Time I come here, and the more I look at it, the more you see. Just because there's so many layers and layers and layers of generations of art and artists and stories, that every time you come here, you see something new.